Hey everyone, Daniel here from Recipe Cost Calculator. Super excited to show you automated invoice processing. We've launched this for general availability. You're going to come down here to process invoices, and the first time that you come here you'll be offered some free credits, and then you'll be able to purchase credits anytime you like, anytime you need them. No additional subscription required other than any base RCC subscription that you choose. You can just buy more credits or whatever. You're going to be able to email your invoices directly into RCC. PDF works excellent, so you can click generate an inbound email address, and this email address is going to be for you, and you can send PDFs to this email address and we will process them for you. You'll be able to upload images or PDF files of your invoices here, and then we will process them. We recommend that you get some ingredients and suppliers set up first. That'll create the best experience, but even if you don't have any suppliers or ingredients, you'll be able to create them as you go by uploading your invoices. I'm going to just drop a test invoice here right now for showing you. We're going to do some vendor detection. We're going to detect the vendor, and then we're going to compare the ingredients that you buy from that vendor with the ingredients that we detect in the invoice. And this is going to complete fairly quickly. If you don't want to wait, you can just come back and it'll finish later, and you can deal with it then. This will be finished, and then you can review this invoice. Now, once you have your ingredients set up nicely in your account, you're going to get extremely confident matching, where you can just basically blow through this, accept all of these things, and save these prices. Right now, there are things that we can't match because we don't have them in our account yet. So we can see that there is no confidence on this icing sugar. So what we can do is we can either select match, and that's going to load the ingredients that we buy from this supplier in this list, or we can actually create the ingredient immediately while we're going here, and we can just click on create, and that will create that ingredient. If this ingredient is already in your account, but you purchase it from a different supplier, you're going to get an error like this. And what you'll be able to do really easily is just add this supplier ingredient to an existing ingredient, and then the ingredient will have multiple suppliers available, and we will create it this way. For now, we will just skip these additional ingredients so we can just show you the price updates. Another thing that I wanted to show you is that we will show you when you are seeing major price increases or decreases from your suppliers based on your previous price. This is going to be absolutely critical for people looking at cost control and just trying to make sure that you are continually able to run a successful business. We'll just skip the cornstarch for now, and we will save these prices. After we save those prices, we'll see a nice summary of what we've done, and you can basically repeat that with all of the invoices that you'd like. And we're really looking forward to hearing how you think this works and what features you think that we can add to make it better.